Hi guys, here's another video. I've got this couple of inner tubes to fit on these two wheels here of an electric bike. I've been given these little plastic protectors so I don't scratch the rim. Apparently you fit them like this and it prevents you from scratching the rim when you put the tyre back on, but I'll just get rid of these because I've been fitting tyres for years and I've never even seen them before. So let me just get this tire, one side of the tyre off here, and because I'm going to fit new inner tubes for old tyre, I'm just going to check for nails. So you can see me just running my fingers along and just checking the outside for nails, make sure there's no nails in there, and I'll just pop the one side of the beading back in onto the rim like so. No tools required, just a bit of force. And that's pretty much done now. Okay, so that's the one side of the beading. So it's just a matter of fitting the inner tube. Just get out the box. This is for the front wheel. So it's just a matter of, with the one side of the tyre broken down, just sliding the inner tube into the tyre the right way round, and just a matter of making sure it's not twisted either. I'll just speed this section up because it is a bit of a long process, just to slow the video down a bit. And there you can see me just finishing off tucking the inner tube into the tyre. I'll show you here. Just going to tuck the valve in now. Get a close up. That's the valve there. Just going to tuck it into the hole in the rim. It's just slotted in there, as you can see. Okay, now that's done. It's just a matter of putting the beading back on. So I'll just use this tyre here, this wheel, and place the bicycle wheel on top of it. And let me show you here. I've got this Poundland tyre repair kit that comes with plastic tyre levers. You can see there. This won't scratch the rim. So here you can see I'm just working it around. I'm going to have to lean on the tyre as well. I'll put a bit of fairy liquid around the beading just to help it to slip on easier, or soap. And here you can see me just tucking it in. I'll speed this section up also because it's a bit of a process. I'm just pressing on the tyre and tucking the beading with the lever. And after so far, I can just press it down with my knee. And you heard that last bit of the tyre just flip on there. So that's tyres fitted with the inner tube. I'll show you both sides here. That's done. It's just about a matter of blowing up. I'm going to put 30 psi in. I think the maximum is 32. So you can see me just blowing it up. And as I'm blowing the tyre up, I'm just checking that the tyre is sitting evenly on the rim. Make sure the beading of the tyre is sitting evenly on the rim as I'm blowing it up. That's what I'm checking for. I can just leave that for a bit, and it stopped. And let me just show you here. It stopped at 30 psi. You can just about see that there. And I'm happy with that. Just checking that it's all seating nicely, and it is. And that's the front wheel done. So I'm just going to move around to the rear wheel. I'm just going to time lapse this one. Same procedure, but I'll just time lapse this one. Just tuck the tyre into the bead there. After I've checked for nails, put a bit of fairy liquid around it, and then just press the tyre on with my knee and just use the plastic tyre lever. As you can see there. That's that tyre fitted. So let me just show you here. All I've got to do now is put the valves on, valve caps on. and the valve retainers, as you can see there. That's the front wheel. And if you just go to the back wheel, I'll just do the same. Just put the valve and the valve retainers on. Just putting the valve cap on there and just tighten up the valve retainer. And that's pretty much complete. So let me just show you the finished item here. Here's the two inner tubes fitted into the old tyres. Let's get close up here. No scratches around the rim. Not by me anyway. And just show you the front one. And that pretty much concludes. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.